Hey Super 2, it's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3, and we back with another video. And today, man, we back at it like a crackhead, like we already been at it. Anyway, so look, man, how to cut up the traffic? How not cut up the traffic? We back at it, we hitting it, and we not hitting it. But these folk hitting it a little too much and messing up. So we're gonna get right into it, man. Ain't waste no time. 444 is on the time for you. Okay, we got a little takeover. Okay. Oh shit! Damn! Whoa! Wait. Why he didn't just stop? He saw he was out of control. Look at Buddy, bro. From the looks of it, he was hitting on it. Okay, came over here. At this point right here, just hit the brakes, bro. He said, "Watch this. I'ma correct it." Nigga took out 17 people. 17 people. Boy got like 4,000 points, 5,000 points off that shit alone. Hey, what? Hey. Okay. Alright, we get it. Disclaimer. That's my disclaimer too.
Look at this genius in a wide open parking lot.
Open diff. Y'all need to learn. People open diff cars. It was like almost every car that's rear wheel drive, except for, you know, sports cars and open diff guys. Oh, whatever. We're not gonna get into it. Open diff guys, please learn what an open diff is, and please learn when both wheels aren't spinning, because both wheels ain't spent yet. Damn!
What the hell took over this driver to do this?
What happened? Excuse me? That was either they fell asleep or their intrusive thoughts took over. I think their intrusive thoughts took over. Nah, it's more like some shit. Maybe the throttle got stuck. That's crazy. They hit that whole coming out there. They really hit that 180 though. I've seen that a couple times in Fast and Furious for sure.
Passenger knows what's up.
Back.
Damn.
Back. Team Max sauce.
Damn. I saw this video. What the fuck just happened? Damn, I had the same reaction I had the first time. What the fuck just happened, bro? Damn. They got out like, what the fuck my wheel at, nigga? What happened?
Watch this perfect launch control.
I've seen this too. Damn, I would've been pissed. Oh, have you did this in the video? I'll be pissed. Imagine you lining up, you ready for the next race. I'm in that next race. You getting your head together, you in that space, you in that thing. I'm up next, let's hit it. Damn, bam, yeah, hit. You know what the fuck just happened? And they fucked that shit up, bro. That car fucked up. Damn. Damn. Insurance not gonna pay for that.
The driver thought he was him.
Bamba clock.
You don't got it, my man. You got it, bro. Hold on, let me record him. You don't got it, bro. Pull over, Eddie. Damn, bro. You don't got it, bro.
You don't got it, bro.
Too late of a reaction.
See, I already know. Damn. Oh, I hate accidents like that, bro. Damn. He had it though.
This song was playing at the perfect time.
Know some young niggas like to swerve.
Shoulder soldier or
No senor, like the sway. No senor, like the swag. Okay, you kind of hold that. Okay, I would start right there, cause it's traffic. You don't see that traffic. You don't see that traffic. You don't see that traffic. Oh, he's seeing traffic. Oh hell no, nah, bro. I'm in this bitch. I think I'm in that motherfucker. He made it out crazy. Yo, shorty in the car with you and she's finna lose her fucking mind? Look at her. Or is she recording? Oh, that's a dude. My fault, twin. It's giving Pastor Princess. My fault.
his friends tried to warn him.
Damn. Oh shit. They still driving.
Some people shouldn't have supercars.
Oh shit. Out the Lambo? Not the Lambo.
Look what cutting up with bald tires gets you.
Oh shit. That's a car accident.
Guy might need to check his pants after this one.
I can already tell where this going. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. 5, 4. Oh shit. Bro. That's when you start talking shit, bro. Imagine you talking shit and you just that nigga did it. He regrets everything he just did in that last 5 minutes. Because it was never that serious. Now his car fucked up. They got away. They laughed at him and he recorded. Damn. Just look at how fast he's going. Them people in that car got fucked up. Big shit. Oh. Not the GTR. Not the GTR. Damn, Ferrari. See, the Ferrari knew he couldn't win, so he had to take the GTR out. That's all that was. He know he wasn't gonna win that one. He had to take the GTR on out with him, brother. And I don't blame him. I'm just kidding. I do blame him. Why the fuck? GTR? Come on now. And then they hit this car. This car probably ain't got no damn insurance. That's what's really fucked up. This car probably ain't got no insurance. So you paying for all his shit. Your insurance finna drop you. No, it's not. Accident insurance not finna drop you. You good. I was talking about that. He ain't caused an accident. And they got it on camera. Anyway, man. That's the end of the video, man. That's the end of the video, man. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. If y'all made it to the end, don't forget, man. Tap in. Tell me what I said. What I say? Let me know if you made it to the end and tell me that I made it to the end. We locked in, twin. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification. We ain't not gonna stop, man. We finna get monetized. We finna get 3,000 watch hours. By the time I watch this, I should be at 3,000 watch hours. Get the first little step of monetization, but we ain't here for the 3,000. We want that 4 banger. We want that 4 banger. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all lock in with that. And at the end of the day, I got you one to get you one. If you ain't got you one, you better get you one. Goddamn, give me one. If I get mine before you get yours, I'm gonna tear the city up for real. Appreciate y'all, man. Y'all to go. We to go. We turned up this year for real. Out of there.